Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I'm going to unbox the Doogee U12, a 12-inch budget Android 16 tablet. So I bought it as a whole package with Bluetooth keyboard and a case for around 160 euros as a Black Friday sale on AliExpress. So if you buy it with a case and keyboard, they call it the VIP edition. So, well, they say 24 gigabytes of memory, but it's 6 gigabytes of real memory, and you can have an additional 18 gigabytes of swap memory. So that means that it will use the storage as swap memory. Okay. Let's see. I think that's a screen protector. Okay. And here we have the tablet itself already in the case. So we have a Bluetooth keyboard, a USB-C charger, stylus, okay, there's a little knob, I'm just wondering if, okay, interesting. Not really sure why it has a spring mechanism, but we'll see about that later on. So screen protector accessories. Okay, alcohol prep pad. Just a little cloth. Some paperwork, USB-C cable. And the mouse feels really light, so open. Okay, so that one needs batteries. Let's see. I think it needs AAA batteries, 2 of them. No. Okay. So I guess that's the VIP edition. So let's see. Okay. Okay. So like this, I guess. Or does it need to be? No. Yeah, that makes more sense because you have those 2 ridges. So you can put it like this or like this. So we have probably power, volume up and down, and nothing on this side. Micro SD, headphone, and USB-C, and the camera on the back. So it's a 12-inch tablet. It's got some weight to it, probably also because of the battery. So it has a, let me see, a Unisoc 7255, but it's actually a rebranded T616. So it has 2 Cortex A75 big cores at 2 GHz and 6 efficiency A55 cores at 1.8 GHz, and it has a Mali-G57 GPU. So yeah, this is just the unboxing, and yeah, it's a budget tablet, so don't expect to play the latest and greatest games on it, but that's something I don't really do, but probably it should be fine just to use it for some YouTube videos, those kind of things, and some light office work. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.